looked worse.
Dan must have driven this last.
His hood had already.
Okay, here we go.
Alright, this video needs a little bit of an explanation, and part of it you can find on some previous videos. If you haven't found my Way of the South build, you should go watch it. It's fun. It explains the whole situation that we've come to today, which is this off-road 240SX that we built. It is also driftable. We always want to drift stuff, but the guys at Grip Royal and I built this machine just for fun, off-road stuff, not something we typically do. And we were going to debut this at Little Talladega. That was going to be our first maiden voyage. And if you don't know what Little Talladega is, it's an Airbnb in Missouri that has everything that you could want. It has a drift track all the way around it. It's a beautiful house to begin with a pool. It has games, game rooms. There's, drum sets, guitars. It's insane. And then when you go outside, there's a garage that's full of toys like dirt bikes and side-by-sides. And then you got go-karts and crazy karts. And there's a bunch of acreage with trails on it. That's why we wanted to come there, because you could drive in the off-road trails. That's what we built this car for. Unfortunately, on my way out, I got COVID, so I wasn't able to hang out. All of my Grip Royal family, even Nate Hamilton and the 144 family, all had their vacation there, and I was supposed to join them in this big, fun adventure. But I got COVID, and I couldn't make it. However, the show did go on, and my friends took it upon them to film everything themselves with their cameras. They're not camera guys. They don't have great equipment. And they did it. And they filmed everything for me. So I hope you enjoy this. It is pretty rad. I am super pumped with how the vehicle works, man. The Way of the South is incredible. It looks like so much fun. I'm super jealous because I didn't get to go and I haven't gotten to drive it yet. I will be driving it this week. So when you see this video, I will be driving it, and there will be an update on that. But I hope you guys like this video. Be easy on my friends. They're not shooters, and they were here on vacation having fun. So let's get to it.
looked worse.
Dan must have drove this last.
His foot had already.
Okay, here we go.
of Long Beach. Danger Dan, Danger Dan. Drifting every turn from here to Pakistan. It's Danger Dan, Danger Dan. Does stuff with cars that others can't. He's Danger Dan, Danger Dan. He won the race before it began. He's Danger Dan, yeah. Danger Dan. Danger is not his middle name. It's Danger Dan, Danger Dan. Going round turns as fast as he can. It's Danger Dan, Danger Dan. He works on cars that are from Japan. He's Danger Dan, Danger Dan. He's so cool, yeah, he's the man. It's Danger Dan, Danger Dan. Intake is colder than a snowman. He's Danger Dan, Danger Dan. He can rip it in a coupe or a sedan. He's Danger Dan, Danger Dan. He's probably in the back, riching on a tran. He's Danger Dan, Danger Dan. He loves saying quotes from Anchorman. He's Danger Dan, Danger Dan. He's so rad, and so is his dad. He's Danger Dan, Danger Dan. Best friend a guy could ever have. He's Danger Dan, Danger Dan.
This is the part where I thank everybody. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like this, please subscribe. Go watch the build if you haven't seen it yet. And I want to thank all of my friends that made this possible. I want to thank Grip Royal first and foremost for letting me be a part of this build and having a fun adventure with them, staying with them. Go like everything, get them, comment and be like, we love the way of the South build, it's sick, wow, that thing rips. Give them some comments like that. I want to thank Nate Hamilton, 144 crew for coming out and filming stuff that they didn't have to for me. Thank you guys for doing that. Nate's a really good friend of mine and he is killing it. If you haven't checked out his YouTube, you're missing out. I think his video is probably better than mine. It's better than mine. If you're not following Nate Hamilton, you got to go follow Nate Hamilton. Also, I want to thank Yankee Special. He makes some really great clothing. Fantastic artist. He was out here filming this whole time. He's been traveling around with us. Really good guy. Last but not least, I want to thank my buddy Joe Bizelli. He's been one of my best friends for my entire life. I wanted a theme song, and I think he produced that. We wanted something catchy, chuggy, you know, and high energy, and something's gonna get stuck in your head. It was funny, we loved it. So thank you, Joe. And if you want to go by on his Instagram, Joe Bizelli, we love the Danger Dan song, and just, you know, give him a lyric from it, whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will be driving that car this week. You will have an update because it's gonna be my first time driving it. I'll be at Riverside Drift in Indiana. We are gonna go shred this thing, and it'll be my first time off-road in the rally trails with some of our friends. So, keep watching.